What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Surron video. A little shortcut through here. Excuse us. Well, we made it behind me. We're at the beautiful Los Angeles River. On a beautiful Los Angeles day, the weather right now is absolutely amazing. Perfect for riding. I got the homie Liam right behind me, and we're gonna meet up with Wes. Oh, look at these guys, what are they doing? A little TLC, weed whacking. Interesting. I've never seen a car drive down here. Look at that. Back at our favorite trails, and I gotta close my visor. He's dusting me, but I'm pretty sure I got too much air pressure in my tire, as always, because I ride on the street. So I'm gonna stop in a second and take some of that air out, because I don't have the best traction right now. Ooh. Oh my god, my fork fell. Horrible. What happened? Gotta adjust my fork too. Oh yeah. This place became like crazy over here. Super bumpy everywhere. My fork is not feeling so hot right now. I don't remember it being so bumpy. Yeah, the terrain changed a bit, but gotta adjust it real quick. Right when we meet up with Wes, gotta adjust that. Gotta take off a little bit of air pressure. Fork is giving me arm pump. I never used to have that. Thank you. What did he say? He said there's a snake up there? A sink or a snake? Couldn't make it out. Oh, is this it? Oh, there used to be a pipe over there. They covered that up. Okay, this is not as bad as I expected it to be. Much better. What up? It's good. I gotta adjust my forks. For some reason it's like it's giving me arm pump. I don't know why. I think it's this preload that I changed. Changed the preload on there. Coming up here actually not as bad as I thought. I thought it would be demolished. It's actually okay.
They fixed everything.
They fixed some.
Fixed it over here too. This
is Wesley's new wrap. Got that carbon fiber on it. I don't know if you guys can see. Pretty nice. Alright, Liam's trying to attempt this. I don't think he's gonna make it. He's got no traction. He would make it with our bikes.
Of course. But the problem is, I don't even know if we'll make it with our bikes, because you see how he jumped off of the ground?
Yeah.
With our power, I'll lose traction. Now he's got to turn it around.
No, he's just gonna walk it up. He's a few feet from the end.
With the gas, yeah.
Oops.
That's why I didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
He's a kid, though. It's okay.
Yeah, you guys don't understand. It's a pretty gnarly hill. Camera doesn't do it justice. You made it though. Crazy. All right, took some air out of my tire and adjusted my fork. I hope that it feels better. I don't know. All right, I see that they did pass through here with the Bobcat or some sort of machinery. You know, one thing that I never adjusted on my Surron was my rear shock. I never messed with it ever since the day I got the bike. I never really got the hang of how to properly adjust it. I know there are some videos on YouTube, but I never really did it. And I feel like if someone who knows what they're doing will do it for me, then I feel like it would definitely make my ride quality so much better. Because something feels off, even though I just recently you know, gave my bike a little bit of TLC or whatnot, tightened up some bolts, tightened up my head tube, which was fairly loose. My Surron doesn't feel at its best right now. This is fun. I haven't been here in so long. I feel like I lost some of my off-roading swag that I had. These guys are flying, leaving me behind. I'm just so paranoid from hitting a little dip like I did that one time, whatever it was, a year and a half ago, man. Flew off my bike, broke my collarbone. That was not fun at all, and definitely not worth it for that one split second. Stupid. So now, especially not knowing what how the terrain has changed, definitely don't want that mistake again. Not worth it for me. So excuse me if I'm not Mr. Formula One over here today. I just can't afford doing that again. Also, thank God for insurance, right? You good? Liam got a little I don't even know. Got something stuck in his foot, literally into his meat. Yeah, I guess that's why he wear boots. I mean, I'm not one to say I'm not wearing boots myself, but gotta be protected, man. This area, I'd never know. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, well, thank God for insurance, man. Because when that happened to me, that surgery I had to do, it was like 10 grand. So I'm definitely happy that I didn't have to pay that. That would have sucked. So I can only imagine if you don't have insurance and something like that happens to you, and then you're kind of screwed, man. Unexpected expense. Anyways, I guess I'm making all these excuses, riding a little slower than usual.
You want to go straight or you want to go to the neighborhood?
Either or is fun.
Alright, let's go straight.
Yeah, and as I said this in like a previous video, making all of these reviews on e-bikes. I haven't been riding with my Surron for so long that I definitely feel like I lost some of my skill. But it's fine. Summer's starting. Riding season is here. Oh, I can't see anything. And we'll get it back for sure. Oh man, these guys are dusting me. Sheesh.
I forgot where that goes.
Oh, this goes to the to the end of the where it smells like gas.
That's that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's it. That's the spot. You see how it's still ruined? They fixed it. Oh, there goes my rear camera. Yeah, no, this is the gas area. Yeah, is what it is, that gas area. It kind of dead ends to like a cul-de-sac neighborhood that I forgot the name of the exit, but if you continue taking that, we've taken it before, you can actually reach the Kobe's crash site. There goes my rear camera. I think I saw a snake over here last time I was here. Ooh, that branch just slapped me. Want to do it? See where this one goes?
I think we went through this before. It doesn't go anywhere. Because we went around it. We went in the bushes and around it, and it didn't really go anywhere.
No, this goes. It continues.
What?
Yeah. It definitely continues. I saw it on the map. See, someone's coming from the other side.
And you want to go through this and back?
I think if once you do it, it's like a loop where you don't have to come back through it. Let's go see.
There you go.
It's not that bad.
It wasn't bad at all, but I don't know if this.
I think it might go.
I remember passing it one time.
All right, so a little bit of extra exploring today. I want to thank you guys, by the way. Woo! I want to thank you guys if you are still watching and you are a fan of this channel and what I do and my Surron journey. And thank you very much. You guys mean a lot. That's very rare.
Should we take the other one and see where that goes?
Yeah. All right, so yeah, I don't know what part of this stuff is poison ivy and what's not, to be honest with you. I have no idea. Should probably educate myself a bit more when it comes to that, especially kind of riding in the wild like this. Alright, starting to wrap our way around here. The terrain was definitely not as bad as I expected. My wrist, my left wrist that I kind of sprained, is actually doing better than I expected. Forks, still not 100% for some reason. Gotta watch out from this horse poop. Horse poop everywhere. But they were better than when I first came here and started this today's journey. My bike is shaking left and right more than I remember it used to shake. This tire, I just recently changed my front tire. That's what I fell on.
Yep, it's worse now. It's even worse.
Oh my god, look at that.
Crazy.
Alright, another uphill.
Have you went up there?
Yeah, it's not that hard. It's I just don't, I want to go and do it in like one fucking go, you know? I'm in sport mode. I'm good. I'm just waiting for him to go so he doesn't delay me. All right, look at this beautiful area. And this uphill is gnarly, but I mean our bikes have so much power that it's pretty much nothing to it, but it's really hard to convey over the camera how steep this is. Not the steepest ever, but it's pretty steep. But yeah, did you guys see that one gnarly area right there? That's exactly where I crashed. It became actually even worse, so very dangerous for sure. But that's pretty much it. That will do it, guys. I appreciate you watching. As always, if you are not aware, I do have these Volted gloves available on my site, which I'll have a link in the description. Check them out. It's a very cool way to show support to the channel and for what I do. But I think that'll do it. We're gonna wrap it up in this beautiful view spot. Appreciate you guys watching as always, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.